Nandito tayo ngayon para i-share ang magandang balita para sa inyo.
Enjoy up to 50% off on grocery items and fresh products.
Kung mahilig kayo sa electronics, home appliances, furnitures, and luggage, good news, up to 70% off rin sila. Katulad nitong Philips Steam Iron dating 9KD 900, ngayon 4KD 900 PS na lang. Light may tuna 995 pills.
Enjoy discounts up to 60% on top brands like Adidas, Puma, Skechers, and many more.
Alam niyo ba, buy 2, get 2 rin sa mga cosmetics. Up to 50% off on perfume brandeds.
Kaya mga kabayan, this is the best time to shop for Eid at mag-enjoy sa 24th anniversary offer sa lahat ng Lulu branches.